Local winds during summer. Winds which are caused by local factors and confined to a limited area compared to planetary winds are called as local winds. Nor'westers in West Bengal, Jharkhand, Odisha and Assam. Direction of a local winds in summer in from northwest, hence are known as nor'westers. Kal Vaisakhi is a strong wind which blows during the Vaisakh season in Assam and West Bengal in the evening. It is beneficial for the crops like tea, jute, rice, etc. In Assam, it is known as a Bardoli Chera. Lu, it is hot and dry wind which blows from northern plains of Punjab to Bihar. Pre-monsoon shower. During March-April, sun's apparent movements towards north causes rise in temperature in North India. This local heating causes convectional rise in air, thereby causing heavy rain accompanied with thunder and lightning, which is known as a pre-monsoon shower. Mango shower. Mango shower or a mango rain is a colloquial term to describe the occurrence of pre-monsoon rainfall. Sometimes these rains are referred to as April rains or summer showers. These occurs across South and Southeast Asia, including India in Kerala and Karnataka. Between Port Darwin of Australia and Tahiti of French Polynesia. In an El Nino year, when a warm current develops along the Peru coast, the value of the Southern Oscillation Index becomes negative. The water circulation is caused by the pressure gradient force which results from a high pressure system over the eastern Pacific Ocean and a low pressure system over Indonesia. La Nina. During La Nina, strong Pacific trade winds blow from the surface water of a westward alignment. During La Nina, the cold water rises to the surface and intensifies the high pressure along the Peruvian coast. It strengthens the Indian monsoon. This occurs roughly half as often as El Nino. It lasts for 1 to 3 years. Locally, it is known as a mango shower or mango rain because it is beneficial for mango trees. These rains normally occur from March to April, although their arrival is often difficult to predict. Cherry blossom rain. Due to this rainfall, coffee flowers blossom in Kerala and nearby areas, so it is termed as flower rain or cherry blossom in Karnataka. Traditional seasons in India. Season: spring, Chat Vaisakh, March to April; summer, Jest Ashad, May to June; rain, Sawan Bharpad, Sawan or Bhado, July August; autumn, Ashin Kartik, September to October; winter, Magh Shirs or Push, November to December; cold winter, Magh Phagun, January to February. India, average annual rainfall. Cloud is a mass of a minute water droplets or tiny crystals of ice formed by the condensation of the water vapor in free air at considerable elevations. According to their height, expanse, density and transparency or opaqueness, clouds are grouped under 4 types: high, middle, low, vertical. High type or characteristics: high cirrus, CI, thin, white and icy, no rainfall, cirrus cumulus, cirrus stratus. Middle, alto cumulus, alto stratus. Characteristics: layered or puffy, made of a liquid water. Low, stratus, stratocumulus, nimbo stratus. Characteristics: somber skies, drizzle appear as general, overcast. Vertical, cumulus, cumulonimbus, tall. Characteristic: tall, narrow, puffy. Precipitation comes from clouds that have a nimb in their name. Example: nimbostratus, developed from stratus cloud. Cumulonimbus, developed from a cumulus cloud. Thank you.